In this video, you will learn how to generate lip sync animation by playing an audio file on your MetaHuman using the Runtime MetaHuman Lip Sync and Runtime Audio Importer plugins. For this tutorial, I'm using Unreal Engine 5.7, which is the latest version at the time of recording. However, you can follow along with any engine version starting from UE 5.0, as the plugins support all versions from 5.0 onwards. Before we begin, make sure that the Runtime MetaHuman Lip Sync and Runtime Audio Importer plugins are enabled in your project. If you already have your own MetaHuman character, you can skip ahead and use it directly. The same setup applies. But if you'd like to create one from scratch, I'll walk you through it now using the MetaHuman Creator plugin. Right-click in the content browser, hover over MetaHuman, and select MetaHuman Character. Open it. Pick any preset you like, wait a bit, then click Create Full Rig, wait a bit. After that, download the texture package. Now go to the Assembly section, assemble your MetaHuman, wait a bit, and save the changes. Your MetaHuman is ready. Find its blueprint class and drag it into your level. Now open the blueprint. In the Components panel, select the Face component. In the Details panel, find the Anim class settings and assign the Face Animation Blueprint from the Runtime MetaHuman Lip Sync plugin. Now open that animation blueprint. For the next steps, you will need to set up audio processing from a file. You can find everything you need in the plugin documentation. The link is in the description. Go to the Runtime MetaHuman Lip Sync docs, open the audio processing guide, and choose the From Audio or Buffer method. You will see 3 tabs for 3 different lip sync models: Standard, Realistic, and Mood-Enabled Realistic. In this video, I'll use the Mood-Enabled Realistic model, but feel free to switch to a different tab if you prefer another model. Copy the nodes into the event graph of your animation blueprint. You'll notice some missing variables. Create these automatically by right-clicking on them and selecting the Create Variable option, as I'm showing now. Then locate the Audio Importer node and set the path to your audio file. Next, go to the Anim graph and add the Blend Realistic MetaHuman Lip Sync node. Connect the previously created lip sync generator variable to its parameter. You can now run the project and play your audio file with lip sync animation.
I don't know who you are. I don't know what you want. If you're looking for ransom, I can tell you I don't have money. But what I do have are a very particular set of skills. Skills I've acquired over a very long career. Skills that make me a nightmare for people like you. If you let my daughter go now, that'll be the end of it. I will not look for you. I will not pursue you. But if you don't, I will look for you. I will find you. And I will kill you.
Thank you for watching and enjoy your work using OGG Dev plugins.